now, hey now. Hey now, hey now.
Hey guys, it's Ariel and welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to jump back into our little series of the Disney princesses, the modern day Disney princesses. We already did Cinderella.
Cinderella.
So today we're going to do another Disney fave, and that is the OG princess, the first Disney princess ever, and that is Snow White. I'm going to be like Snow Tan, because you guys know that I like to get my little Ariana Grande fantasy gig going on. I'm like exactly like Ariana Grande, but like with a thyroid problem, you know? So today we're going to dive right into modern day Snow White, and I'm super excited to do this tutorial. I think the color palette is going to be really fun to work with, so let's get this transformation started. So today we're going to be using the Jawbreaker palette because basically all the colors that I need are in here. We're going to do some blue, some red, some yellow. That's like her color story she's got going on. So yeah, we're going to utilize the Jawbreaker palette, one of our favorites. This palette is just so good. I swear to God, this blue brain freeze is like the tits. You know what I mean? So the first thing we're going to do is just tap a nice intense blue onto the crease. All right, now that we got that blue nice and blended out, we're gonna tap into brain freeze and we're just gonna use that to blend the blue up. See, this blue is so freaking pigmented. All right, now that we have those beautiful blue tones blended out, we're just gonna go ahead and cut our crease and carve out our brow bone. All right, now that we have that on there, let's go ahead and repeat that on the other eye. Hello. So you guys, speaking of makeup, we're gonna dip into a little bit of our fun facts of Snow White for this video. If you guys did not know, the people in the ink department, like the coloring and ink department that do the coloring for the movie, now you know that this was obviously hand-drawn. It's an old Disney movie. Now the women in that department, when they were giving Snow White her like flushed color, they actually used real makeup on the paper to give her a more flushed Sephora bitch look. All right, so now that that is all on there, we're gonna go ahead and take a dark navy blue and just really smoke out the sides. Also, another fun fact about Snow White, she's actually one of the only animated characters to be featured on the Walk of Fame. Now that is a fierce ass bitch. She said, bitch, I may be a drawing, but I'm gonna be on this Hollywood Walk of Fame. Now come step on my ass. All right, now because she has some yellow going on in her blouse and her costume, we're gonna go ahead and have a nice bright yellow lid. Why do all yellow eyeshadows suck? Oh my God, does this big hair not want to be sticking off this brush like in Shrek? Oh my God.
You have a scissor? Perfect.
Question for you guys. Why do all yellow eyeshadows suck big balls? And now we're just going to apply some white to our brow bone. Another fun fact while we blend out the brow, if you did not know, Snow White was actually supposed to originally have blonde hair. She was supposed to be blonde.com, you know, a lot of the original princesses had blonde hair, and Snow White was supposed to be the OG with blonde hair, but then they realized, you know, with her color theme and her light skin and the blush and everything like that, they realized that the black hair would be way more striking just with all of her other features and just on camera. So they said, bitch, you gonna look like Megan Fox. There you go. That's exactly what they said in 1937. You know who this bitch is gonna look like? Megan Fox. Now that that's on there, we're just gonna go ahead and clean up the brow and then repeat all this on this side. Now that we have the eyes nice and evened out, we're gonna go ahead and take some black liquid liner and just line the top of the eyes. Now we want to give the lids a little bit more Disney magic, so we're going to go ahead and take a glitter primer and then apply a yellow glitter on the lids. And we're now going to apply yellow glitter. It is from Lit Cosmetics and it is in the shade Ziggy Stardust. Now we got the Disney magic, bitch. All right, now to tie in a little bit of her iconic red, we're gonna tap back into the Jawbreaker palette. I'm gonna use the red shade Licorice, which I don't think I've ever used from this palette. I'm gonna apply that under the eye. I hope I don't look like a fucking vampire. And then we're just gonna take a fluffy brush and just start blending that away. Slowly cue the people. Snow White's makeup didn't look like that. I'm like, bitch, she didn't have any eye makeup on. She didn't even have a nose. Why would she have eyeshadow on? I like this color Licorice because I was afraid it was gonna look like too blood red, but I mean, if I concentrate it like by my waterline, it looks pretty red, but it's nice because as I blend it out, it kind of blends out to more like a flattering like strawberry tone. So it's got a little pink to it, so it's not so like insanely like, I have pink eye. All right, now that we got the red Gigarama blended out, I'm gonna go ahead and line my waterline with a blue eyeliner. Bought this today from Morphe. That's black. Oh, where's the blue? Harper. That's really pretty. I'm into it. Now we're gonna go ahead and put on some mascara because my eyelashes are looking like little crusty crusts. I've had this, ew, spit all over my lip. I've had this little mascara sample for like a minute and I need to like actually go and commit to buy it because I actually really like it. It is Lancome Monsoir Big. Monsoir Big. Doesn't that mean Mr. Big? Monsoir is Mr.
Monsoir? It's not Mr.
Monsieur.
Monsieur.
Why am I saying Monsoir? Oh my god, it is Monsieur. Why am I saying Monsoir? It's Monsieur. Mr. Big. Mr. Big.
Mr. Big. Yeah.
Isn't that a character from Sex and the City? Yo, they owe Sarah Jessica Parker some royalties, bitch.
Yeah. Anyway, if I go to Australia with you, what am I gonna do?
I curse the day you were born.
Charlotte, get in the car. That was you.
Not with
I
you.
hate
I'm mad at you. I'm so mad at you.
I was rooting for you the whole time.
Now that we got all that going on there, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my base off camera. All right, so I got my contour, my highlights reboosted. Now I'm realizing I think that I need to go ahead and make my brows a little bit darker. I need a darker bitch brow. So I'm gonna tap into the Conspiracy palette, into my Ride is Here, and just take that black shadow and work it in my brow. Oh yeah, that definitely gave a much needed added intensity to the brow. I'm obsessed with this. All right, so now we need a little highlight because she's fair as snow, but I need to be fair as a hoe. So I'm gonna tap into Diamond Wet by Jeffree Star, favorite highlight. Oh my god, like is there any highlighter better than this? The answer is no. Oh, I love highlighting that pimple right there. That's gonna be a beauty mark. Does she have beauty marks? No, because she doesn't even have a nose. So why would she have beauty marks? Y'all think I'm kidding? Go back and watch Snow White. That bitch does not have a nose. She has 2 dots. She's like basically Lord Voldemort. She's basically running around like the boy who lived. You know that scene where she's like running around the woods all scared? She's not scared from the woods. She's fucking running around because she thinks she's in the Forbidden Forest and she's like,
Where's my unicorn, bitch? I'm thirsty.
Anyway, we're now gonna go give ourselves some juicy red as blood lips, and I'm using the liquid lip from MAC in the shade
Feels so grand. Woo.
Good. Just kidding. Limpson's range is blonde. Do we want to leave her as like a matte lip kind of gal, or do we want to give her gloss? Gloss. And I'm gonna go with my favorite. This is from Anastasia, and this is Runway Red. There's no better red gloss in existence. Ugh. Ugh. Shit. This smells like alcohol. Mm. Alright guys, well I'm now gonna go ahead and pop on my lashes and get into our final looks, and let's transform into the OG Disney princess, Snow White.
Hey,
Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial transforming into the modern day Snow White. More like Ho White. I really loved creating this tutorial for you guys and I can't wait for you guys to see the rest of our modernized Instafish Disney princesses. And if you guys are not already, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell so you know when I am posting new videos. Also, I am on Cameo, so if you want a selfie style video personalized by me, make sure you guys hit me up there at Ariel Versace, okay? Alright guys, I hope you enjoy the rest of your week and as always, yes.